everybody. Welcome to JustUpright. My name is Doc Jing Ruder. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm a certified dementia practitioner. So today I'm very excited to share with you our new improved website, the JustUprightTherapy.com. So if you visit this website, you will know what Just Upright Therapy is all about, what we do. And I also have the link to the products that I personally recommend, and I recommend to my friends and patients, so you can see the products there, and I'll give you a quick tour. Okay, so the name of the website is JustUprightTherapy.com. As you can see here, we have this navigation bars here, or navigation shortcuts here that you can just click and it will take you to wherever specific section of the website that you want to visit. Okay, so let's just scroll down. Okay, so the Just Upright Therapy services, this is what we do. We help people age 50 plus in St. Louis to stay active, mobile, and avoid falls so they can live independently at home and continue to take care of loved ones. Okay, so the services that we provide, well, we cater to Medicare B, traditional. So if you have Medicare B, we will come to your house and provide excellent physical occupational therapy. You don't need to drive to an outpatient facility or clinic. Self-pay, if you are not yet eligible for Medicare, we accept self-pay patients. We will design a program customized to your specific needs. And home health therapy, before you get discharged from hospital, ask the social worker to receive home health therapy from Excel Care. We partner with Excel to get you moving up again. Okay, so next section is the video section. So this is the link to the YouTube channel, Just Upright. So you can also hit the subscribe button to subscribe to Just Upright Therapy. And we have the contact. This is our contact information. Our phone number is 314-287-3631. Fax number is 314-785-7969. And email address justuprightllc@gmail.com. So if you want to send me a message, you can put your name, your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and a message here. Then click the submit button and I will be receiving it and will respond to you as soon as I can. So this is the store section, which is I am very excited about. So I put here the books that I have published. So the first one is Just Upright Practical Tips to Improve Posture, Balance, and Decrease Fall Risk. So if you hit this get your copy here, it will take you to the website of Amazon where you can get your own copy. So there's a Kindle and there's a paperback copy. Okay, so if you go back to my website here, the Just Upright book is actually, the title speaks for itself. It's an easy read book packed with simple yet effective exercises that you can do at home to improve your posture. And this is backed up by research studies, the latest research studies. Home proofing is also there, and a lot of useful practical information that might surprise you and is very beneficial for you. For clinician, there is a clinician corner with practical, latest, standardized tests and useful information to refresh your knowledge for and then we have the PT Path to US. Okay, this book is a step-by-step guide to US application. This is intended for foreign trained physical therapists to guide them in the very overwhelming process of being a licensed physical therapist here in the US. Okay, practical tips for therapists prior to migrating or starting the US practice. So this is again for foreign trained therapists or for newly graduate therapists, and if they want some wisdom that they can use in order to be more effective clinician in the therapy world, this book is for you. Again, very easy read but full and packed of wisdom. This is what we call the white flower, the wonder oil. I call it the wonder oil because this has been in our house since I was a child. You know, this is a go-to product that we use in the Philippines. If you have a headache, a migraine, stomachache, dysmenorrhea, bug bites, and I give this to my coworkers, to my friends, and they certainly love this. You know, I remember giving it to two co-workers with migraine, and they felt instant relief from it. So this is really a good product. These are the products that I personally use before bedtime to prepare myself, my mind and my body to sleep. The calm, magnesium, and the lavender oil. Okay, so these are good products before going to sleep. My kids, these are for the kids, for moms out there. So this is the Highlands cold and cough, and my kids like this product. There's no forcing them to take this or tricking them on taking their medicine, because they themselves will ask for it if they start sneezing. So they really like this one. This is a great sound machine. I believe that the music is a vital instrument for brain development. So since my kids were a baby and up until now they're 4 and 6, as of the making of this video, we still use this throughout the night while they sleep. And I believe that their language development and memory is greatly affected by the music that we play all night long. Okay, Rainbow Light Nutri-Stars. This is my kids' multivitamins, clean ingredients, and my kids will help themselves every morning to get their vitamins themselves. Okay, for those parents who are having problem with kids bedwetting, this is a good bed pad that we use, and I really like it. It's easy to use, it's easy to wash and dry, and I still use it up to this day for my 4-year-old child. This can be used for both kids and older adults who needs bed pad in their bed at night. So this product, Curel, is really amazing for extra dry skin. I remember my 4-year-old child had a skin rash, and especially during winter time, and this Curel really helps a lot for very dry skin, especially winter time, to prevent that outbreak of eczema. And the next series of products, guys, these are the products that I personally recommend to my clients after I evaluate them and to see what will work for them. So this is a toilet riser. This makes it easier for patients to get up from the toilet, and it is really good with handrails. I like the one with handrails. So this just snaps on top of the toilet and it makes it higher, so it makes it easier for my patients to get up from the toilet. Okay, and then this is a bed rail. Okay, and it helps the patient to get in and out of the bed. This slides in between the mattress and the box spring, and it is a lot easier for them to get in and out, and safer to get in and out of bed. Now, for people having difficulty stepping in and out of the tub, I like this tub transfer bench. Okay, so part of it will be out of the tub. This section here will be out of the tub, and more than half of it will be inside the tub. So I usually teach my patient to sit here at the outer portion of the chair outside the tub, and then just put their way inside the tub. So it makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the tub without stepping over the tub. It's usually very high, and it's difficult for older adults to do that, and it's a high fall risk every time they try to step up and over the tub. So this is a transfer bench. I like transfer bench better than shower chair, because shower chair don't go beyond the tub. Shower chair stays within the tub, but the transfer bench actually go outside the tub, so you can just put your way in. This is the Rollator 4-wheeled walker, and this is the 2-wheeled walker. Okay, so I put it here in the website Ideally, before you use any walking device, it is best for you to consult a therapist so that they can adjust for proper height so you're not stooped over while you're using this, and for proper use. I have had many patients who took it upon themselves to buy themselves walker, but they didn't know how to use it properly, and it caused them to fall. So it seems like it's easy to use, but there are tips that therapists specializing in geriatrics who can give you very useful tips on how to use this properly in order to prevent fall. And lastly, I have the walker sliders here. These are the sliders that you can put at the back of the walker here for two-wheeled walkers, so to make it easy to glide on the floor or on the carpet. So, and also at the last part of the website, I have the book reviews. So if you click here, you can see the 5-star reviews and what the people who read my books think about it. Okay, so here are the 5-star reviews for the different books that I have written, and you can see the pictures and all the reviews there are. Okay, so you can follow us. You can click here, follow us on Facebook. This will take you to the just Jing at JustUpright Facebook user. Here you can add me as your friend, or you can send me a message, and then this will take you to the YouTube channel that I have right now, the JustUpright YouTube channel. Okay, so that's about it. So I hope you check out this website. There you go. So that is our humble website. I hope that you will visit the website if you need any book, from the published books from Amazon. I publish those books. You can get it from my website, the JustUprightTherapy.com. The practical items like the white oil, the white flower oil, that is really an amazing thing. It's been part of my family since I can remember, for headaches, muscle ache, dysmenorrhea, muscle cramps, and things like that. So, and the oil and the magnesium, these are tried and tested products for my family, as well as the products that you have seen at the latter part of the website. Those are the products that I recommend for my patients, to improve their safety at home, like the toilet rise or the transfer bench, the bed rail. And for the walkers, like I mentioned in the website, it is very, very important that you consult a therapist so it can be adjusted according to your height, and you can be trained on how to properly use it. You might think it's just a walker, it's easy to use, but you'll just never know. There's so many people who have fallen using the walker improperly. So therapists who specialize in geriatric or older adults will be the best one to educate you on how to use them, and so that you can decrease the risk of falling. Okay, so visit the website. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Please share this video and other videos here at JustUpright YouTube channel so we can help as many people as we can. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below to be updated with the latest video releases. Share this channel to other people you know who will benefit from JustUpright videos. Thank you again and stay blessed.